present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense in Gujarati. First, let's see present perfect tense and past perfect tense as they are similar structure. Before you go ahead with learning perfect tenses, make sure you have understood simple past tense correctly because these sentences use sentences from simple past tense and just add form of verb to be to make it perfect. For a sakarmak verb, that is the verb which requires noun, the form of to be, that is hovu, is decided based on noun, its gender and multiplicity. For akarmak verb, which does not require noun, the form of to be, that is hovu, is decided based on karta, that is doer of actions. So sentence in present perfect and past perfect tense is a sentence in simple past tense and form of to be, that is form of hovu. So in sakarmak verb, sentence will be sentence in simple past tense and form of hovu as per gender and multiplicity of noun and in present or past tense. So let's see examples. Take simple examples. I ate pickle. In Gujarati it is मैं અથાણું ખાધું. Now form of hovu. Now અથાણું is a neuter singular word. So form of hovu for neuter singular in past tense it is હતું and in present tense it is છે. So combine these two things. A perfect tense example will be I had eaten pickle. मैं અથાણું ખાધું હતું. I have eaten pickle. मैं અથાણું ખાધું છે. So in past perfect we appended હતું. In present perfect tense we appended છે. Now it being a sakarmak verb and verb formation depends on noun. So irrespective of karta, that is doer of action, form of verb will remain same. So I had eaten pickle, you had eaten pickle, they had eaten pickle. For everything, it will be અથાણું ખાધું હતું. So full sentence can be मैं અથાણું ખાધું હતું, તે અથાણું ખાધું હતું, એણે અથાણું ખાધું હતું, તેમણે અથાણું ખાધું હતું, etc. Similarly, in present perfect tense, it will be मैं અથાણું ખાધું છે, તે અથાણું ખાધું છે, मैं અથાણું ખાધું છે, તે અથાણું ખાધું છે, એણે અથાણું ખાધું છે, etc. Other example, I opened box, मैं पेटी खोली. So in past perfect tense, it will be पेटी खोली હતી. In present perfect tense, it will be पेटी खोली છે. So it will I had opened box. मैं पेटी खोली હતી. You had opened box. તે પેટી ખોલી હતી, etc. Similarly, he have opened box. એણે પેટી ખોલી છે. They have opened box. તેમણે પેટી ખોલી છે, etc. For akarmak verb, that is the verb which does not require noun, form of hovu is as per gender and multiplicity of doer of action and tense. For example, if a boy says I spoke, હું બોલ્યો. Now karta is masculine singular, so form of hovu in past tense is હતો and in present tense is છું. So I had spoken, હું બોલ્યો હતો. I have spoken, હું બોલ્યો છું. Similarly, to a girl, if you say you laughed, તું હસી. So for a girl, you had laughed, તું હસી હતી. You have laughed, તું હસી છે. Now let's move to future perfect tense. In future perfect tense, Generally, a little different structure is used. The structure of main verb will be main verb plus e, then form of chukvu as in simple past tense, and form of hovu as per gender and multiplicity of doer of action and tense. So irrespective whether verb is sakarmak or akarmak, always the form of to be will be based on doer of action. So if a boy says, I will have spoken, हूँ बोली चुकियो होइश. To a girl, if you say, you will have laughed, तू हंसी चुकी होइश. He will have danced, ए नाची चुकियो हशे. Tree will have moved, झाड़ हली चुकियों हशे. Thank you.